Hey guys, you're welcome. So we're gonna be doing something real quick today. So here's a common interview question or an interview, exercise where we'll be asked to create a single screen with a button. You can press and increase the counter by one. So we're gonna be doing this in Python and we're gonna be using Kivy and KiviMD. So I'm going to import my app class from Kivy, md.app import md app. Sorry, and then we're gonna be importing the builder we're gonna be using to parse our KV code. So import builder, and then we're gonna be setting the window to a common size, or a typical Android size. So I'm gonna import the window class here. Import window again. Immediately, we're just gonna set the size to something more like it takes in a coordinates of the width and the height. So the height, let's say something like 600, and then the width is 320. So I think those are the basic things we need for this app. Now the KV code is going to be a multi-line string here, and then we need a screen manager. We need a single screen here. So let's give it a name like home. And then the float layout, the layout for the screen, and then we're going to give it a background color of white. So that'll be 1111 RGBA. And then okay, let's stop here first. Let's write the app class, class interview app, and then this is going to inherit the md app class. So the init, the initialization, self keyword arguments, then super. So sorry, keyword arguments, and then we're going to define the screen, self.screen for this app class, and that's going to be builder dot. We're going to use the load string function because we're using a string here. If we were using, or if yeah, if it was a file, we would use load file instead of load string, but in this case we're using a multi-line string here, that's kv, and then we're going to be using load string. Okay, so I'm going to pass the variable here, and then what is going to build a screen, self, yep, and then just wanted to return self.screen. This is what's going to build all the widgets and all that. And then the driver code, oh, I've not committed anything. You know that, you know what I'm doing right now, so I'm just going to leave it that way. The driver code is going to run the app if name is equal to, sorry, it's on JavaScript, main. So and then want to create an instance of the app class, interview app. If created an instance, now I'm going to run that instance of the class. So now I guess that's it. The next thing we want to do is create the the counter. That will be a label. The text is going to be 0 at the first instance. And then the okay, let's make it back. Let's make it black. The default color is black. So the font style should be something like H3, and then H line I want to align to the center, and then size int, before that I set the size in x to 1 so that we can make it go to the center. And then we want to set the position to position int, want it to be, it's already at the center, so let's just set the vertical position, and that'll be let's say 60%, that's 0.6. Okay, I guess that's just it. Okay, let's give it an ID so we can reference it later if we need it, if we want to use it for anything. Let's give it an ID of counter. So the next thing we're going to be doing is creating the button that the user can press. So the text is going to be excuse me, I'm so sorry, press me. So okay, yeah, and then the position will be something like to be at the center, 50%, and then vertically, that will be something like, you know, 45%, right? Yeah, let's just say 50%. So, and then when the user releases it, we could have used on press here, but I prefer using on release so that it doesn't just work immediately after user, presses the button. So on release, we want to say counter the text. This counter here, the text is equal to, we're going to be using the eval function here that returns, it doesn't return a string, so we have to convert it to a string. And then eval function is going to take in, let's make this a formatter string, uh, the current text, counter the text, so, and then +1, so that should replace whatever it's there. Let's check our code if we didn't make any mistakes. I guess that's just it. We can run the code now. Hopefully we won't get any error. So yeah, this is good. Okay, okay, yep, yeah, I guess that's just it. We've not made any errors as far as I know. Okay, let's just run the hack now. And yep, let's just, okay, yep, so press me, and then you see now this is working fine. So as long as the user presses this button is going to increase the value by 1. So that's just it. Thanks so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.